Welcome to my workshop. Thank you to all our new customers who've visited me at the shows recently and online and have purchased one of these. So I know I've got a lot of new followers on Instagram, so just a recap on how easy this is to use, especially those who've bought it online and haven't actually seen this video. So we've got variable angle on here, diamond stones which fit on and are held on magnetically. So I got a 1500 grit on here, and I'm going to put the datum line to line up with 30 degrees. Just pinch that so it stops that from moving. I'm going to take an inch chisel, I'm going to put it bevel up and the blade spacer in the outside slot because I know that puts it into the center. Put the center of the flag through the center of the chisel. Small pressure here, so that will rock that just slightly. Slide that up to take the movement in the hinge. Hold it still so this doesn't move. I've got my fingers pressing down and against the blade spacer. The weight of my hand has gone from here to here. Grab hold of the black knob and it's just hand pressure. It's no more than hand pressure. I don't need to push down on it. Just let the tool do the work. Half a dozen strokes to a dozen strokes. Take that out. Check behind for a burr. If there's no burr, then I would pop it back in for another 5 or 6 strokes, and that's given me a micro bevel on there. Check the edge, and boy, that is sharp. So just a little and often will give you that edge back. If you need to do something more radical, you have got coarser stones on there, but this is primarily for getting that edge back on there. Super sharp, super quick. Get on and make something. I hope that helps. Comments down below. If you've got any issues, give me a buzz. Put a message down and I'll see what I can do to sort it out. Thank you very much for your time, and see you at the next show in Exeter.